Hi, I'm going to show you how to do the crochet picot stitch border. You can do this for Afghans or any type of edge. I did this in multiples of 4. You can do it in other multiples if you like. And you can use any type of hook or yarn. I used medium worsted yarn and I used an eye hook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to chain 1 and turn. You can slip stitch in a new color if you like. Then I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. You can single crochet in any type of multiples. I'm doing this in the multiples of 4. Then I'm going to single crochet into the next stitch and create the picot. I'm going to chain 3, but you could chain 4 or chain 5 or even 6. Then I'm going to slip stitch in that first chain in the back loop, not the front, but the back. I'm sure you could do it in the front, but I'm going to do it in the back there and slip stitch. So yarn over and pull through both loops. Then I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches again and just repeat that pattern, and it looks like that. So that's 2, 3, and then in the 4th one I'm going to repeat with a chain 3. I'm going to show you one other way to do this as well in just a moment. So chain 3 again, and then slip stitch in that back stitch on that first chain. So slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then single crochet into that next stitch. And then I'm going to chain 3 again. And I'm going to show you how to do it with a single crochet rather than a slip stitch. So you just go right into that back loop on that first chain, and then yarn over, and pull through again, because that is a single crochet rather than a slip stitch, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit more pronounced than the slip stitch. Now it's up to you on how you want to do it. There's different ways on how to do it. Then you're just going to repeat it all the way until you get to the end where you're going to do your multiples that you prefer, and then do your chain count that you prefer, and then you can do a slip stitch or you can do a single crochet, and it's that simple. So just continue on until you get to the end. And this looks really great for a border. This is what it looks like. You could do single crochet or slip stitch. Okay, I really hope that this helped and you like this type of stitch. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.